Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the division command in Xinje PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will create a new project and we will open our Xinje XC Pro tool, and after we will create a new project. Which model you have, you can select it from here and click it OK, and your project will be created. Very simple and easy method. Just first we will take LDM8000. In previous video already I explained you about the encoder. In this video also we will use the encoder, and this encoder value we will divide with the length. An example we have to be, for example, one motor have encoder and this travels with any CNC machine or whatever. This length we have to be measure, and how we can use this division command. So first we will choose this encoder configuration, and we will just type in that one C620. That's encoder I will choose, and the 10 and interrupt address, this is same. I will click enter, and this is our encoder configuration. First we will check this also. I will download to the PLC and check this one, and after I will tell you how we can division command use in the encoder. You can see this is our encoder bits now showing, and this is up and down, both values are working. It's very simple and easy method. You can think about our one CNC machine have a one motor behind the encoder installed, and encoder is when running, and our total length, for example, giving us the 2000 bits. This is the basically bits generated in this encoder. If you understand, yeah, now you see the bits are now increasing as I moving the encoder. After our bits are generating, now you can see this is the 2000. For an example, this 2000 bits are equal with 200 mm or 300 mm, any which is value. There is, I don't know how much value, but you think when your motor is working and this bits generating total length when travels the motor, after this bits are generating 2000. And how we can apply this division command? Just stop the PLC and take one LDM1000, for example, we will take, and next we will choose the write the DIV, after which is our encoder C620, that we have to be divide with our any value. We choose any data register, for example D100 I will choose, no sorry 100 already we choose, D200 we will be choose, and one where we need the result D300 we will take the result. Now you can see this 200 bits are showing at the C620, but there is nothing any answer in the D300 also, because of why we not give the any value at the D200. When we give the 200 value, after this will be division and gives the answer into the D300. But in 2000 bits we will take our calculator, and very simple, you can see this is the math function. You can see maybe this 2000 bits are maybe equal with, you can divide this 2000 bits with your mm. If you are thinking this is the 200 mm area, so you can divide this 2000 bits with the 200 mm and click enter. After you can see result is how much, 10 bits, means this 2000 bits equal with yani 10 bits are equal with 1 mm. So you can apply this formula in the simply this D200. First we will download this program into the PLC, and after we will see our calculation and make the run position. Now our PLC is in run mode, and I will make this one set bit M1000. When I need, when I execute my 1000, after my value have to be moved, otherwise no move. For example, I will stop this one first, and I will write the value here 10 at the D200. D200, how much value I have to be typed? 10 value, because of our 1 bit is equal with the 10 bits. Now as I move my this encoder value, after you can see this is the moving, but our value is not showing at the D300, because of why we not make the on our M1000. When I make this one M1000 on, after you can see now our 80 mm are now showing. Now our motor is at the 80 mm. As I move this encoder, value is increasing and our D300 value also increasing. When its 2000 bits are completed, after our 200 mm will be completed. See, 150 mm now, 160, 175, 180 mm, 196. Now our 200 mm are completed and our bits are now 2000 bits are completed. Means how much value coming here, it will be automatically divide and answer gives you the in D300. And now next I tell you this D300 how you can use in the program. Very simple. Stop the PLC and here LDM1000 choose, for example, and next you have to be choose the greater than or less command. LD or equal also you can choose. When this physical things are installed with your machine, after you can use the direct any equal command, or if you can use the greater than or equal command. For example, this I choose LD greater than or equal D300 with our, for example, D400. This we will be give our length which we need, Jenny, for example, and click enter, and after you can make your output on out y0, for example, and click enter, and again download it into the PLC and make it the PLC on, and now you can make it M1000 on, and you can see your y0 is on, because of why we have to be not give the value at our division command. 10 value we will be give, because of 1 mm is equal with our 1 mm. So now our 200 mm are completed, so our y0 is on. As I remove this, I move this encoder, and after you can see when value will be decrease, and sorry, we not give the value how much we like to be start or stop our uh, motor, or what thing we like to be compare. This is value, for example, I need when 100 mm are completed, I need to stop my output. So when I move this one more, and you can see 38, 35, 36, 31, as will be our motor will be reach at the 100 mm, it will be off. You can see this is the 99, as it will be reached at the 100, it will be off. And again, for example, you put your motor in the reverse mode, after it will be increasing the value, as will be increased to the 100, your output will be on. You can use your solenoid valve or hydraulic valve, what thing you like to be operate with the this division command. This will be automatically when you apply this formula for the length, how much length. For an example, one more example we will be take. I stop this one, and that's D200. I need, for example, this is the 2000 bits are equal with 300 mm. So what formula we will be use? I will take this calculator CE, and you can write the 2000 value, and your length is now 300 mm. So divide by 350, for example, I will write, and answer is how much? 5.71, means 5 bits are equal with your 2000 bits. So I will type here at the D200 how much? 5 bits. In points I think so here cannot, yani 5.7 cannot, because of we have to be use the data string. Later on I will be discuss with you, but 5 when we type, after this value will be change. Again I make it on the PLC and set bit, and we have to be give the value here also D205, enter, and that's D400 also will be write the, for example, 150 if we write, and after we will check. And now I will move the value. Now we are using at the D400 150 mm, and you can see this is the 150 mm as completed. Our motor is now on, and this D300 is your actual mm. And for example, you see when our 2000 bit will be completed, and now you can see this is 2000 bits are completed, your 400 mm is completed, right? This is in the mm. 5 mm means equal with 1 bit, and this is our 400 mm, and here we decided 150 mm after our output needs to be on and off. I will again move the encoder, and you can see at 150 mm it's now on and off. So this way you can control your length, and you can use this division command. So hope guys you will be understand about this division command, how we can use in any program for length measuring or any other division functions. So if not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.